Welcome home bakers to another episode of my YouTube channel, Basic Homebaking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed, so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every week. This is going to be the third of my Christmas episode series. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make another delicious and festive dessert for the holidays. The pineapple upside down cake. Pineapple upside down cake, as the name implies, is a cake whose bottom part, in this case the pineapple and the cherries, becomes the toppings when you invert the cake. That's the name pineapple upside down cake. The ingredients are, for the toppings, pineapple slices, cherries, 1/4 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and for the cake, 2 1/4 cups of cake flour, 1/4 cup of pineapple juice, 1 cup of butter, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 1/4 cup of sugar, white sugar, and dried pineapple. We're going to start. We melt the butter and then pour this evenly in our prepared pan, 9 inches round pan. Then sprinkle the brown sugar evenly. Over the melted butter. And then we arrange the pineapple slices. And then put cherry at the center. Cut this pineapple. We're going to put this on the sides. And set this aside. For the cake, we're going to cream the butter. Add the 3 eggs, one at a time. Add the pineapple juice and the flour, sifted flour. Then the baking powder and the salt. Vanilla, 1 1/4 teaspoon. Scrape the sides. Actually, you can put everything in the bowl and then mix it for 5 minutes. Just dump everything. Then add the dried pineapple. And then we're going to pour this butter over the prepared pan carefully. Going to put this so that it is flat on top. We're going to bake this at 350 for 35 to 50 minutes or until it is done. My pineapple upside down cake is now out of the oven, baked at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. We're going to let this cool for a while, for at least few minutes to stop the bubbling of the sugar, and then we're going to invert right away. Run a spatula through the sides to loosen. And then we're going to invert. Let it stay for a while. There. Wow. So nice. There you have it, my pineapple upside down cake. Look, so beautiful. For the holiday season, for Christmas or for New Year, because it's round, circle. Money. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next Christmas episode. Enjoy!